Let's talk about the VIX index. Picture this. You're sitting at the roulette table in Vegas and suddenly someone whispers in your ear, "Hey buddy, the wheel's about to go nuts." That's the VIX for you. It's the market's version of the fearometer, giving you a heads up that things are about to get bumpy. So what is the magical VIX thing? It's a measure of expected volatility in the S&P 500 over the next 30 days. Think of it like the weather forecast, but for stock market craziness. It shoots up when investors are sweating bullets about the future, and it chills out when everyone's feeling zen. Now throw in a US presidential election, and you've got a recipe for pure market panic. Every 4 years, it's like the market's on a bad acid trip. Investors start freaking out, not knowing if the next president's gonna be a Wall Street darling or a nightmare. The VIX spikes as everyone rushes to buy options to hedge their bets. It's like everyone's bracing for a market apocalypse, just in case. Take the 2016 election. The VIX was doing the cha-cha up and down as Trump and Clinton went head-to-head. Election night, boom, the VIX shot up like a firework, then calmed down once everyone figured out what the hell just happened. 2020, same story, but add a global pandemic to the mix, and you've got VIX on steroids. And get this, right now, the VIX is at an all-time low. What does this mean? It means the market's so chill, it's practically in a coma. Investors are feeling ridiculously confident, like everything's gonna be smooth sailing forever. But here's the kicker. When the VIX is this low, it's often the calm before the storm. It's like everyone's partying on the Titanic, blissfully ignoring that iceberg in the distance. Bottom line, the VIX is your market anxiety barometer. Use it to gauge when to hide under your financial blanket and when to come out and play. But remember, it's not a crystal ball, just a heads up that things might get wild. And right now, with the VIX this low, don't be too surprised if that wild ride is just around the corner.